I just want to say I hope everybody's having a really lovely time self-isolating. I know I certainly am. I wish I could self-isolate forever and ever and ever. I'm here with my lovely wife, Wendy, and my darling boy, Danny, and I'm just writing a song. All play and no work makes me a poor boy. All play and no work makes me a poor boy. All play. By the way, what are you doing down here? Okay, let's talk. What do you want to talk about? Maybe it was about Danny. Maybe we should discuss what should be done with Danny. What should be done with Danny? I don't think that's true. I think you have some very definite ideas of what should be done with Danny, and I'd like to know what they are. You think maybe we should take him to a doctor? And when do you think maybe we should take him to a doctor? As soon as possible. Where are we going to take him to a doctor? We're supposed to self-isolate. Wendy, you've had your whole fucking life to self-isolate. What good's a few more minutes going to do you now? Wendy, give me the toilet paper. Give me the toilet paper. Give me the fucking toilet paper. Right out.